Hello everyone, I am Harika from class 8 studying in Sri Sharda Vidyalayam, which is located at Kranti Nagar, Visakhapatnam. Now I am going to tell a story, The Treasure Within. It means every child having their own talent and their unique talent. Now I am going to tell the interview about Hafiz Contractor and Bella Raza. Before going to the interview, I would like to say about the personal life of Hafiz. The Hafiz does not have any interest in the languages and dislike the maths. And all the nightmares of the Hafiz is about the maths examinations. Hafiz would copy all the works and homeworks and all the exams from their classmates. One day, Hafiz planned to play the game Charpol. Is about police and the thieves.
So when the teacher entered in the class and started about something.
Madam, please leave the class. We will play the game Charpol. Okay, play. Madam, would you please leave the class? Because if you will be in the class, no one will be comfort to play. No, either you want to play, you play, or else I will continue my class. Okay, madam, I will.
After teacher went out of the class, the students started playing and enjoying a lot. And Hafiz felt so happy because he has kept his overview and he started playing the game.
So like that, Hafiz completed his school life and entered into the college life. Hafiz joined in the Jai Hind college and after a few days the principal called Hafiz to the office room. So Hafiz entered to the office room and took his seat. Hafiz, these many days you neglected your studies, but now onwards you should concentrate on your studies. Okay, sir. I am giving this motivation because you are having a single parent, that's your mother, and your mother is doing very hard work for you. Okay, sir. This time exams you got 50%, but next time you should get 90%. Okay, sir. Sure, I will try to get. So like that, Hafiz completed her 11th grade. And after that, Hafiz entered to the 12th grade. And Hafiz chose German. And after few days, the German teacher died and principal called Hafiz to the office room. That time I gave motivation, but I want to give the warning for this time. Either you select the French or else you remove from the college. I will choose French, sir. Okay, go for the French classes. One day Hafiz went to his brother-in-law's house and saw some drawing like this and took a book and drawing the mistakes in the drawing, and he completed all the mistakes and drawn all the picture.
So his brother-in-law entered and saw that book and really appreciated that.
Hey, what a beautiful drawing. What, you had this much of hidden talent? Oh, I don't know that I had this much of hidden talent. Yes, you have so much of hidden talent. I would suggest some entrance exam for you. Okay, then tell. And he said some entrance exam and Hafiz wrote that exam and selected for the next exam. So he selected in entrance exam and he became an artist. The moral of the story is everyone have a hidden talent, but it takes time to recognize it. Thank you.